Here's a step-by-step guide to become finally rich and uniquely dedicated as a trader. And in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use it to target trends and gain massive profits. Now, the first thing we need to do before we even use this indicator is we need to find the current trend of the market. If price is making higher highs and higher lows, then we're looking at bullish momentum. And if price is making lower highs and lower lows, then we're looking at bearish momentum. Now, the indicator we'll be using for this is an 8-length exponential moving average, or an 8MA for short. Using this indicator, we can cleanly establish the trend of the market. As we can see, lower highs and lower lows are being formed under this 8MA, which signals a strong bearish trend going to the downside. And since we see that, we will be targeting a bearish trade and not trying to fight the trend. Now, with using this indicator, you may be wondering, how exactly do we get into a trade? Okay, so now let's take a look at this example. First, we need to establish the direction of the trend. So we have higher highs and higher lows being formed over this 8MA, which signals a strong bullish trend going to the upside. And since we established that, we have one more step, and it's so easy, but if you get it wrong, it's gonna make or break your trade. Now, in order for us to get into a trade, we either need A, price to wick under, or to simply touch the 8MA equilibrium zone. And then for the second thing, we need price to close over the 8MA. With that, it'll signal a strong bearish trend still going to the upside, and we can get into a trade. And as we can see, 5 minutes later, we got a nice rejection candle right here. Price tried to make a push back down. It touched this 8MA equilibrium zone, came back up, and it closed over. And with that, we can finally get into a trade. Now, with this entry, all we're gonna do is just simply target a nice 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. And we're just gonna let this trade play out. And as we can see, price continued to respect this 8MA, and it continued in its upward direction, and we ended up taking profits. I made a free PDF showing you exactly which high probability setups I take whenever I trade. If you want a copy, just click the link in my bio and you can claim it there.